Okay, so for today I'm going to teach you guys how to get to my classroom website. So I'm going to type it in up at this search bar, and don't worry about memorizing this. Hopefully eventually you will throughout the semester, but for right now I'm going to send it out in an email and I'm going to show you in this video. So for some of you who do not know, my first name is Ashley, so type in Ashley. And you can see it popping up on my screen here. It's because I go to it very often, which you probably will eventually too. My last name, Martin, and the word toolbox, if I can type correctly. And then this is created on a site called Weebly. So I'll go dot after Weebly, period after Weebly, and after toolbox, then type in Weebly.com and press enter. So that'll bring you to my website, and this is just my home page. You'll see home, and it just says welcome, and it just shows you that this is my website, Miss Martin's Educational Portfolio, which is what you should call me, by the way, not Ashley. I'm just going to show you how I'd like you guys to use my website. So this isn't about me, and hopefully this will be about our classroom later on. This is a slideshow that displays quotes and pictures of me and my family and things that matter to me. So if you want to check that out more, you can. This is the weekly update, and this is a spot for you and your family to come throughout the week and see pictures and blog updates. It's just a place where you can see what we did in class. I won't have everything we've done in class, but hopefully enough things. This is my blog where right now I talk about things that I'm learning currently in class, but hopefully I will talk about other things one day. The next page is tools. So tools are very important. I'll ask you to come to this very often. So you'll see a Seesaw and Padlet, Symbaloo, quizzes, word art, Miss Martin's Diigo library. These are all things that I'm going to ask you to use in the future, so just know that the tools page on Miss Martin's Educational Portfolio is very important. And last of all, the contact page. If you ever need to get a hold of me outside of class, you can, I'll have my email up, and right now I have my Twitter and my YouTube, and this video will be in my YouTube video, but I'll also email it out to all of you. So that is how to use my website and how to find it. So thank you.